Have you ever heard of a slaughter? I oughta start dipping, sipping on that ST gets me to tripping. I don't slips, I bangs with that mad ass dog pound gang. It's a DPG thing. Corrupt from the SC. You wanna test?
When you gonna put me up in one of your videos or something? You know I can still get out. Check this out.
Welcome back to another episode of Rose and Gold. I'm your host, International King, and this is my lovely co-host, Dr. Ross.
Good evening, everyone.
Today we're going to be disclosing the information of our She's Hot winner.
That's right. Our She's Hot winner for today is Amiri. If you don't know who she is, you may know her from her song, This Is One Time.
Or One Thing.
But it's this one thing that got me tripping. It's this one thing that got me tripping.
But she rocked that song. And
She
now
really did.
we
But
heard
then
that J-Lo made a copycat sort of song, but we don't know what came first, chicken or the egg. And by saying that, we're saying a metaphor from J-Lo and Miss Amir. But we know that Miss Amir rocked the song, and I still listen to that on repeat.
That's right. But thank you, and for a lighter topic, before we just continue with our She's Hot winner, we do want to send our condolences to the TikTok star who had over 1 million followers on TikTok. His name was Sway Lee. Wendy was badmouthing him, but we all heard the story on what happened, and it's really sad.
And Wendy, we just want to say, Dr. Ross and I are coming to take this show over.
That's right.
Call it the King and the Doctor Show. Let's get into, or actually, these were all of our hot topics for today, but we're in our studio right now, and we're down to lay some tracks down.
And once again, congratulations to our She's Hot winner,
Miss
Keep
Amiri.
rocking.
And Miss Amiri, let's lay some tracks down. Come by the studio, the International King studio.
Tell them to bring me my money.
These were all of our hot topics and our She's Hot winner, but we'll see you in the next episode of Rose and Gold. We out.
Have you ever heard of a slaughter? I oughta start dipping, sipping on that ST gets me to tripping. I don't slips, I bangs with that mad ass dog pound gang. It's a DPG thing. Corrupt from the SC. You wanna test?
When you gonna put me up in one of your videos or something? You know I can still get out. Check this out.